Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, make sure auto rotate is enabled in quick settings. The icon should be white and red. Then tilt the phone to test the gyroscope in different apps. Open the phone app or messages and rotate the phone. If it works, the sensors are fine. If rotation isn't working, try tilting a bit more. Apps that support rotation should work. If it's still not working, restart your phone to reset the sensors. Press the power and volume up buttons, then swipe up to restart. After the restart, update your software to fix any sensor issues. Open Settings, scroll to System and Update, then tap Software Update with Wi-Fi enabled. If an update is available, tap Download and Install, then restart when ready. I hope this video was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.